Prioritizing intimate health is the foundation of well-being. Intimate hygiene is crucial for women's overall health. It's about respecting your body and taking care of its needs. Maintaining good hygiene prevents discomfort, infections, and other issues. It's not about achieving perfection, it's about making healthy choices for your body. Think of intimate hygiene as a form of self-care. Just like you brush your teeth and wash your face, your intimate area deserves gentle and proper care. Remember, every woman's body is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. It's essential to listen to your body and consult a healthcare provider if you have any concerns. This essay will guide you through the basics of intimate hygiene, providing practical tips to help you feel confident and comfortable in your own skin. Let's embark on this journey of understanding and caring for our intimate health together. Everyday essentials include simple steps for daily hygiene. Maintaining intimate hygiene doesn't require complicated routines. Simple, everyday practices can make a world of difference. One of the most fundamental tips is to choose breathable underwear made from natural fabrics like cotton. Cotton allows air to circulate, reducing moisture buildup and the risk of infections. Avoid tight-fitting underwear, as it can trap moisture and create an environment conducive to bacterial growth. When it comes to cleaning, water is your best friend. The vagina is self-cleaning and maintains a natural pH balance. Using harsh soaps, douches, or scented products can disrupt this balance, leading to irritation and infections. Gently washing your intimate area with warm water during your daily shower or bath is sufficient. Remember, the key is to be gentle and avoid any aggressive scrubbing. Navigating menstruation requires maintaining hygiene during your period. Periods are a natural part of a woman's life, and maintaining good hygiene during this time is essential. Change your sanitary products regularly, whether you use pads, tampons, or menstrual cups. How often you need to change depends on your flow, but generally it's recommended to change every 4 to 8 hours. Leaving a tampon in for too long can increase the risk of toxic shock syndrome, a rare but serious infection. Washing your intimate area with warm water during your period is crucial to remove any blood and prevent odor. Avoid using scented soaps or wipes, as they can irritate the sensitive skin in this area. If you experience any unusual discharge, itching, or discomfort during your period, consult your healthcare provider. Section 4. The dilemma of pubic hair. Safe and comfortable removal methods. Pubic hair removal is a personal choice, and there's no right or wrong answer. If you choose to remove pubic hair, several methods are available, each with pros and cons. Shaving is a common method but can lead to ingrown hairs, razor burn, and irritation. If you choose to shave, use a sharp razor and shaving cream to minimize irritation. Waxing provides longer-lasting results than shaving but can be painful and may cause ingrown hairs. Laser hair removal offers a more permanent solution but requires multiple sessions and can be expensive. It's essential to choose a method that you're comfortable with and that suits your skin type. If you have any concerns or experience any adverse reactions, consult a dermatologist. Section 5. Common pitfalls to avoid. Protecting your intimate health. Maintaining good intimate hygiene also involves avoiding certain practices that can harm your health. One common mistake is using scented products like douches, feminine sprays, and wipes. These products can disrupt the natural pH balance of your vagina, leading to irritation, infections, and other problems. Remember, your vagina has its own self-cleaning mechanism, and using these products can do more harm than good. Wearing tight-fitting clothing, especially synthetic fabrics, can trap moisture and heat, creating a breeding ground for bacteria and yeast. Opt for breathable fabrics like cotton and choose clothing that allows air to circulate. Avoid staying in wet or sweaty clothes for extended periods. Section 6. Cultivating healthy habits. Nourishing your body from within. Intimate hygiene goes beyond external practices. It's also about taking care of your body from the inside out. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health, including your intimate health. Drinking plenty of water helps flush out toxins and maintain a healthy pH balance. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains provides your body with the nutrients it needs to function correctly. Managing stress is another crucial aspect of intimate health. Stress can weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to infections. Engage in stress-reducing activities like exercise, yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. Remember, taking care of your mental and emotional well-being is just as important as taking care of your physical health.